Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disable delivery optimization in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type regedit, right click run as an administrator, copy the address from description and paste it. Click enter. In DoSvc folder, click on Start. Change value data to 4. Go to Windows search bar again. Type services. Click and open it. Search for delivery optimization. Click it. Make startup type to disabled. Click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.